In this video, I will show you how to delete X account permanently. To get started, go ahead and open X or Twitter on your device to make sure that you're signed in into your account. Click on the top left corner of your screen. Now in here, click on Settings and Privacy. And that will redirect you into the settings page of Twitter, or also known as X now. On the settings page, go ahead and hit on the Your Account tab from this list. So you'll find that at the top. In this section, go ahead and click on that deactivate account button. And as you can see in here, this process will help you deactivate your X account. And after 30 days of deactivation, you won't be able to retrieve this account anymore once you deactivate it today. So once you hit on that deactivate button, you'll need to enter your password to confirm the deactivation of your account. And once you're done, you'll be able to successfully deactivate your account. Now, after 30 days of the activation, you'll be able to successfully delete your X account, and that is how you can simply delete your X account. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.